Welcome to your online learning for cooperative education this summer. I just want to take this minute to thank you for joining the course and trying to earn credits during this weird time where everyone's hopefully getting back to things that are a little bit more normal. As far as your coursework is concerned, I'm looking forward to guiding you through the necessary learning activities under the content tab of your e-learning. So here's where you're going to start your journey and gain any lessons and find those links to important assignments that I'm going to need to collect. Of course, if you've already done any of the content as we work through course, you'll probably be able to find assignments that you need to do here. They're going to be released to you at particular times, and it's going to be important that you're checking your D2L 2 or 3 times a week just to make sure that you're up to date on everything. This is the platform where you're going to get all your feedback as well. And if I need anything or need to contact you, you're going to see a message on the e-learning platform. Hopefully, I'll be able to stay in touch, and it is going to be a two-way street, of course. If you feel that you need anything from me, please feel encouraged to shoot me a message. You all should have my email by now, and certainly if you need to, please use that. I will be checking my email daily, at least 5 days a week, and I look forward to hearing from you if you're having any issues.